Well, welcome tonight. My name is Shanna Hutton. I am with Positive Community Kitchen. I am the creative chef of this Nourish Food for Life class. And this class is a collaboration between Positive Community Kitchen and Oregon Cancer Foundation. And it's really meant to inspire you to look at healthy food in a different way and to really take all of the knowledge, the information that you gain here, go out into the markets, find the ingredients, and utilize them within your own kitchen. Tonight we are going to be focusing on a power breakfast, and it's really meant to help stabilize your blood sugars throughout the day. So when you start off the morning with refined sugars or refined grains, white breads, things like that, you get a very high fluctuation in your blood sugar level. And really what you need for sustained energy throughout the day is a very level blood sugar. And you need three things in order to level that blood sugar during the day. You need protein, you need fiber, and you need fat. And those are energy sources that are actually, they're more of the slow burning energy sources. So you can think of refined sugars, refined grains as that kindling in that fire that burns really quickly. And you can think of that protein, that fat, and those fibers as that big chunk of wood that you put on top and kind of slowly burns throughout the day. And so to start off, we're going to be doing two recipes today. We're going to be doing a coconut blueberry basil smoothie that's full of wonderful nutrients to get you going in the morning, provide that slow burning energy. And then we're also going to do a coconut sweet potato apple muffin, and it's meant to be a little bit sweeter of a treat, but it really is high in fiber, has some great fats that are incorporated, has some great proteins, again, to give you that energy that you need throughout the day. Okay, to start off, we're going to start off with our blueberry coconut basil smoothie, and we're going to incorporate about a cup of blueberries. Now, blueberries are an amazing fruit. They are power-packed with antioxidants. This particular smoothie I developed in order to help alleviate symptoms of osteoporosis. So it is packed full of anti-inflammatory foods, blueberries being one of them. They are packed with antioxidants. Blueberries are one of those fruits, and most fruits are, that it really pays to buy organic. Organic blueberries have 3 times the amount of antioxidant power than their traditional counterparts. And the reason for that, and the reason why it's so important to buy organic foods, is really the toxins and the pesticides that are used on traditional farming foods break down the immune system of that plant. And that immune system is what creates those vitamins and minerals that keep us healthy. And so if the plant doesn't have to struggle, its immune system doesn't have to work, so it doesn't create those vitamins and minerals. But if the plant struggles a bit, it increases those vitamins and minerals that we ingest and can benefit from. So it's really important to buy organic, especially when it comes to berries. So we're doing about a cup of berries here. I'm just going to throw in the rest. There's no exact science to these smoothies. And you can always make it how you like. So you can take this recipe, use it as a base, and work from it. All right, so the next thing we're going to add to this is spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable. Highest amount of nutrient profile of any vegetable is within leafy green vegetables. Really great anti-inflammatory food. So again, helping to relieve those symptoms if you do suffer from osteoporosis, joint pain, that sort of thing. Really great help, or it's a really great energy, sustained energy component to it. So we're going to add that to our blueberries. Here we go. And we have about a cup of that lovely spinach. And then we're going to add in our avocado. Now, avocados are full of healthy fats, and for a while there was this stigma around fat within our society that it was bad for you. And fat in food is not the same as fat on the body. Your body needs fat. And there are so many systems within your body that need fat to survive. And so it's very important that you get healthy fats or fats from healthy sources to keep your body running at an optimal level. Fat also is a great energy source, and so again, it's that slow burning energy. So it really does help, especially if you're looking for sustained energy throughout the day, that sort of thing. So we're going to add half an avocado, high in heart healthy fats specifically, and it's going to add not only a lot of nutrition to this, but it's going to add that kind of creamy texture that we're looking for as well. So we've got our avocado, and then we're going to add an apple. Apples have a nutrient in them that helps regulate blood sugar. They have wonderful phytonutrients in them, a lot of great minerals and vitamins, particularly in the peel. And so what I normally do is if I can avoid it, or I avoid peeling the apple because a lot of the nutrition is in the peel. So it's important also to buy organic when you're wanting to eat the peel of a fruit or a vegetable, just so you're not ingesting all those pesticides and toxins. So we're going to add about half an apple. And then part of our flavor and nutrition component is a few basil leaves. We have this beautiful basil here. It smells amazing. And the oils that are in the basil right here, kind of if you rub it a little bit, you can kind of see that it starts to sheen. The oils are a really powerful anti-inflammatory. So we're going to add our basil into there. And you can add as much as you want. If you really like the taste of basil, you can add a little bit more leaves. If you don't necessarily like, you can take it out altogether. All right, and then we're going to add some chia seeds. Chia seeds are really high in omega-3 fatty acids, really important for brain health and heart health. So add that, and then we're also going to add some coconut. This is going to give it some flavor, but it's also going to add some nutrient immune boosting profile to it. And then we're going to add some honey. Now you can leave this out if you don't want to utilize honey. I'm just going to put in about half a tablespoon. It's not going to be a lot, but again, it's a natural sweetener, so it has a lot of nutrient profile within the honey. So if you're using sweeteners and such, I would recommend using natural sweeteners, just because the natural sweeteners retain the vitamins and minerals that were originally in the sweetener. And so we're going to close that up. And then I'm going to add in a little vanilla. Vanilla is a flavor enhancer. And so just a touch kind of helps elevate the flavors of this smoothie. And I've got some coconut milk here. Pardon me. Coconut milk is high in lauric acid. Lauric acid is an immune boosting nutrient. It's what's the same that's found in mother's milk, and so it really helps boost your immune system, which then in turn helps alleviate a lot of inflammation within the body. So I'm going to give it about a cup here. There we go. Lovely. And then I'm going to, first of all, is there anyone here that's vegetarian? Okay, so what I have here is I have collagen powder. Collagen powder is a protein. Collagen is a protein that's in your body that makes up your hair, your nails. It also provides glue and elasticity to your bones and to your joints. And so it's a really important nutrient that, especially as you get older and your body is not able to make up as much collagen as it was when it was in the younger days. Sometimes you can suffer from joint pain and broken bones and things like that. So increasing your collagen can actually help with alleviating a lot of those symptoms. So we have about 1 scoop of protein powder. Now, if you were a vegan vegetarian and you wanted to make this friendly, you could use a pea-based protein here or any other plant-based protein that you prefer. Okay, and now I think it's time to give this a little whirl. So pardon the noise for just 1 second. Like a little dance. Okay, so